So this happened.
Yeah, this happened, Tim.
How did this happen, Tim?
How did
Well,
this happen?
what happened, first of all?
Well, Kenny, I was not trying out a new string trimmer. So,
The picture I saw makes it look like you were.
that's the truth.
I really didn't know how he did. I saw this picture. I was like, how? I don't even know that was possible.
Yeah,
Anyway, tell us what you did.
I broke an SD card completely in half.
Now, we've had them start to come apart at the edges, or maybe
Yeah.
had some of the connections come off. I mean, we put these in computers and cameras all the time. So how do you break one in half?
Well, have you ever put one in the computer, it kind of sticks out?
Yeah, all the time.
And then you ever drop the computer on its side?
No.
Okay,
yet.
well, I didn't drop it either, but it did kind of fall over in my car against the seat with it sticking out, and they just don't fare so well.
It just clipped it.
Yeah,
So we need a heavy-duty SD card for you.
correct. Titanium.
Do they make them out of titanium, aluminum, stainless, galvanized steel, anything like that?
I don't know, but maybe there's an opportunity there.
You,
So CNC machine, maybe somebody make me an SD card cover case.
put your name on it. We'll make you famous.
Yes. By the way, no way to recover that. And several items that were pictured and videoed on there that had to be redone. So. Exciting times.
Bet you learned your lesson, though, didn't you?
I sure did. I sure did.